Hello, my name is Tracy Ingram, and we are BioScan Me. My mom spent 2 years bedridden from misdiagnosis. And through my work as co-founder of Health Camp Florida and my partnership with Florida Medicaid and Medicare Quality Assurance Board of Florida, I've found that there is an extreme problem with hospital readmission. Hospital readmission accounts for $17.4 billion every year in wasted funds. But there's a human cost, and that human cost is over 400 people a day. That's enough people to fill a jumbo jet. Our solution will help identify the key tests and applications that patients need to receive before they leave the hospital. It'll help hospitals reduce liability by identifying problems before they happen. And it will also help them reduce fines and fees. But before I get more into the details, I need a volunteer. Any of the judges? Come on.
Sure, give them.
Give them a big hand! Okay? Just
I don't like needles.
no needles. No needles.
No needles, just high voltage.
Okay, and what we're going to do is pull out some common medical tools here for scanning. So just hold on to that. Yeah.
They already know I'm crazy.
Yeah, okay, so just hold those real quick, and just hold them. She's going to, we'll get them all out, and then she's going to start putting things on. And so when I worked with biofeedback for 10 years, these are some of the things that I used. And see, when we started, we learned what medicine should be. We watched TV. And what we think of medicine should be, it was like a tricorder. You scan someone and you know exactly what's wrong with them. You didn't need all these wires and cables. You just need one little sensor. So take away those sensors and give them the app. And so all you do is press that button and you wait. So right now, there is a $10 million prize from Qualcomm to produce a real-life tricorder. One of our competitors in the market is Scanadu. Some of you may have heard of them. They just made over $700,000 on Indiegogo in the last 15 days. There is a market here. What makes us better than Scanadu? Data. No, not that data. That data. The idea is we can understand exactly where your stress points are into every disease that you have going on with your body. We have done work and we've talked to people from Florida Blue, MHCA, insurance companies and hospitals, stating the need for a device like this that can help recommend proper testing and give appropriate testing to patients to help save lives and improve patient care. Okay. We're not here to eliminate hospitals. We're not here to eliminate doctors. What we're here to do is help give doctors and hospitals the tools they need to make a difference, to really help people. Because enough people die from misdiagnosis.
Ready.
Excellent. So what does it say here? A little hypertension, possibly? Do you have any stress?
What 10 out of 68 hypertension?
No, possibly. Okay. Well, we're still working on some of that. It says it's a very low level, but it says possibly an EKG might be something that you might want to look at, and talk to your doctor. And this is just to recommend possible tests. So go ahead. Stand up. Everybody give them a hand, please. So our next step moving forward, and this is not an offer of security at all, but our next step moving forward is to enter the Qualcomm Tricorder Xprize. And we need to raise $5,000 by June 21st to have a valid entry. This is our team. Ian on deck there with the laptop, Tara, Damon, and Anderson. Any questions?
So I now scan it. They have a pretty impressive collection of technology.
They do.
So what do you guys bring to the table that's different than scan it?
Well, in my 10 years in biofeedback research, what I've done is I've worked with equipment from Russia, China, that does diagnosis. And what it does is instead of trying to create an individual technology solution for every single thing you want to scan, what it's doing is asking the body what's wrong with it. Someone explained it earlier to me like a acupuncture test. If I take an acupuncture test, I'm going to poke you with like 50 needles, and I'm going to see what stresses you have. Well, we can scan up to 1 million in about 5 minutes.
Allergy test.
Allergy test. And so it's in the data analysis and pattern recognition, and as we pull that information in, that we're able to scan that data and make the recommendations that we do. Does that answer your question?
Close enough.
Okay.
So where would that strap, where would you go get that? Do you go?
Actually, currently right now what we're looking at is hospitals and actually being able to have the nurses provided as a pre-admission and a post-admission check-in.
Okay,
Okay.
but it could be a.
It could be a consumer product and everything like that. And one of the things we're doing is working on an application platform that allows us to have multiple data inputs. So your Fitbits, all of your individual little items can be pulled in, and then that helps the pattern recognition of the data.
So the FDA classifies this as a medical device?
Yes, that's why we want to go into the Xprize so that we can actually get classified for the FDA fast track.
Time for one more question? So what's your present volume? That's all we got? Perfect. Streamwise, you guys are on deck.